Welcome. In this video I will show you how to force quit on Windows. So if you want to force quit any application on Windows, what you're gonna have to do is either press the three buttons combination of Ctrl Shift and Escape buttons. Alternatively, press Ctrl Alt Delete combination of keys and then select Task Manager from this list. Once you open the Task Manager, to terminate any process, right-click it and select End Task. This is the first way to do that. Alternatively, you can use the combination of Windows and R buttons pressed together. Then what you're gonna have to input the cmd command in here, or you can just press the Windows button, then search for cmd, and once you find the command prompt of application, run it as administrator by clicking right here. And in the following window, first input the task list command and check the list of the tasks that are currently working. And to terminate one of these tasks, you just have to input taskkill /f/im spacebar and then input the name of the task. So for example, let's input Steam and then give it a star at the end, and this way you will terminate all the tasks that start with Steam. And as you can see, Steam web helpers that were opened on this device were terminated, and that's how you force quit any program. Now, in order to force quit your computer, you can either hold down the power button on your computer itself, so it's a physical button. I cannot show it to you on the screen. Alternatively, you can just press Alt F4 and then press Enter, and this way you will shut down your computer forcefully. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.